Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Shaniqua Vereen. NASA and SpaceX are preparing for the 5th crew rotation mission of the company's human space transportation system to the International Space Station. NASA's SpaceX Crew 5 mission is targeted to launch no earlier than September 29th to the Microgravity Laboratory for a science expedition mission with NASA astronauts Nicole Mann and Josh Cassada, JAXA astronaut Koichi Wakata, and Roscosmos cosmonaut Anna Kikina. You can follow the flight on NASA TV, nasa.gov, and the NASA app. Science doesn't just happen inside the space station, but on the outside as well. One example is the MISSY-FF platform that allows researchers the opportunity to expose materials to the harsh environment of space. This week, NASA astronaut Kjell Lindgren installed MISSY-16 science carriers onto the Japanese experiment module's airlock slide table, from which they will be robotically grappled and installed on MISSY-FF. These containers hold a variety of samples from an electric textile that tests fabric sensors to solar cell material to see how radiation, temperature, and vacuum impact performance. What we learn could support development of better materials for use on future space exploration missions. And while much of space station's research is helping propel us further into deep space, it also has many benefits for those of us back on our home planet. The 2022 Benefits for Humanity publication was released this week, highlighting ways in which space station research has impacted life on Earth. Learn how a tool used to study neutron stars from the space station has contributed technology improvements for CAT scans here on Earth, and what company has recently secured 3 patents for household products based on science they conducted in space. Check out these stories and more by visiting nasa.gov/station-benefits or follow @ISS_research on Twitter for more updates. That's all for today on Space to Ground. Thanks so much for watching. You can watch the International Space Station pass overhead in the night sky. Find out when it will fly over your area by going to spotthestation.nasa.gov. We'll see you next week.
Subscribe for more space.